Hello everyone, this is Teacher L, and today we're going to learn about fraction. This time we are going to discuss about addition of like fraction. So first we have the given 1/2 plus 3/2. So the number at the top, 1 and 3, we call that as a numerator, and the number at the bottom, 2, that is our denominator. So like fraction is a fraction that has a common denominator like this 1/2 and 3/2. So we can observe that the bottom number is same. So this is called a like fraction. For our choices, we have 5/2, 4, 7/2, and 2. For our solution, 1/2 plus 3/2, that is equal to 4/2. 4 comes from adding 1 plus 3, that is 4. And since this is a like fraction, we just copy the denominator 2. So that is 4/2. We then simplify, that is 4 divided 2, that is 2. So our final answer is letter D. For our second example, we have 4/5 plus 6/5. So for our choices, we have 4/7, 3, 7/5, and 6. For our solution, we have 4/5 plus 3/5, that is equal to 7/5. 7 comes from adding 7 plus 3, and 5 is the denominator or the common denominator. So since this is a like fraction, we just copy the denominator 5. So our answer is 7/5. So that is letter C. For our third example, we have 1/8 plus 7/8. We have choices 2/7, 1, 7/5, and 2. For our solution, we have 1/8 plus 7/8, that is equal to 8/8. 8 comes from adding 1 plus 7. Then we just copy the denominator 8. 8 divided 8, that is equal to 1. So our answer is letter B. This time we are going to add unlike fraction. Unlike fraction is different from like fraction when it comes to denominator. So as you can see, we have 2 and 3 as our denominator. So since the number are different, we call them as a unlike fraction. So for our choices, we have 7/2, 1, 5/6, and 2. For the solution, we have 1/2 plus 3, 1/2 plus 1/3. So first we multiply 2 times 3, that is equal to 6. Then we cross multiply. We multiply first 1 times 3, that is 3. Then we multiply 2 times 1, that is 2. Then we just add addition sign at the middle. So we simplify 3 plus 2, that is 5. Then we just copy the denominator 6. So the answer is 5/6. That is letter C. Next, we have 4/7 plus 2/3. So since the denominator are not the same, so they are unlike fraction. So we have choices 26/21, 2, 25/26, and 3. So for our solution, first we multiply 7 times 3, that is 21. We cross multiply. First, we multiply 3 times 4, that is 12. Then we multiply 7 and 2, that is 14. Then we just add the addition sign. Then we simplify 12 plus 14, that is 26. Then 21 as our denominator. So our answer is letter A, 26/21. For our last example, We have 3 over 5 plus 2 over 9. We have choices 29 over 45, 2, 37 over 45, and 3. For our solution, first we multiply 5 times 9, that is 45. We cross multiply 3 times 9, that is 27. Then 5 times 2, that is 10. Then we add addition sign in between. Then we simplify 27 plus 10, that is 37. And we just copy the denominator 45. So our final answer is 37 over 45. So that is letter C. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.